Eggs have about 6 to 7 grams of protein each, making them a solid protein source, but several vegetarian foods can pack even more protein per serving. Here are 8 vegetarian foods that contain more protein than an egg. 1. Tempeh. It contains approximately 15 to 20 grams of protein per 3 hours, or 85 grams. There is an additional bonus of the fact that it is fermented and hence gut-friendly, which helps with enhancing the diversity of the gut microflora with all essential amino acids. 2. Seitan. Wheat meat contains approximately 21 grams per 3 hours, or 85 grams of protein. They are also considered a high-protein meat substitute and are very versatile in cooking. 3. Lentils cooked contain 18 grams of protein per cup, which is approximately 198 grams. They are also rich in fiber, which is good for the digestive system, and are high in iron too. 4. Chickpeas cooked contain approximately 15 grams of protein per cup and are great for curries, salads, and hummus. 5. Greek yogurt, plain, non-fat, contain approximately 17 to 20 grams of protein per 6 hours, or 170 grams. They are also a good source of calcium, which is good for our bone health and can be considered to be probiotics when made with live cultures of bacteria, which help to enhance the gut microflora for a healthy gut. 6. Edamame, cooked soybeans. They contain approximately 17 grams of protein per cup of cooked soybeans. They also contain fiber, folate, and healthy fats. 7. Quinoa, cooked. They contain approximately 8 grams per cup, which is approximately 185 grams of cooked quinoa. They are also considered to be a complete protein and gluten-free grain. 8. Cottage cheese, low fat, contains approximately 14 grams of protein per 1 held 2 cup and are considered great as a snack or base for savory dishes. Do you want a meal plan using these ingredients? Why not let us know in the comments section below? Thank you for watching.